Are you planning to go abroad? On a family visa or dependent visa? Such an exciting opportunity. Going overseas can be complicated because there is a process of getting attestation of the marriage certificate before you are allowed to go. The consular stamp from the embassy is a crucial part of the attestation process for a marriage certificate. It would help if you got marriage certificate attestation from the respective embassy. This process will certify the legality of your marriage certificate and yourself for getting a visa. It's obvious to get stressed with so many questions, and only professional help can save you from all these complications. But worry no more. Excellent Apostille Services is here to help you.
Excellent Apostille Services provide you with the complete guide of attestation procedure for marriage certificate, regarding what is marriage certificate attestation, how to get an attestation for marriage certificate, when and why attestation is required for marriage certificate. Is your presence required to get the attestation for a marriage certificate? How long does the attestation procedure take time for marriage certificate? What documents are needed to obtain an attestation for a marriage certificate? What is marriage certificate attestation?
The consular stamp from the embassy is a type of legal procedure that will execute with the evidence of verifying the marriage certificate.
When and why attestation is required for marriage certificate?
The embassy stamp is required for a marriage certificate to get a family visa or dependent visa. It proves that your marriage certificate is valid, which can be permitted in the country. The consular stamp is a report which expresses a conclusion about the reliability of a marriage certificate.
How long does the attestation procedure take time for marriage certificate?
Marriage certificate attestation process is a multi-step process. The marriage certificate must pass through some compulsory primary legalization process from the various authorized departments such as the Home Ministry, or STM, to reach the final embassy stamp. The consular can finally attest the marriage certificate. So it takes 15 to 20 working days, and the time depends upon issued place. Although there are several ways to finish process on a fast track. Contact to Excellent Apostille Services, one stop of legalization solutions.
Also, it's important to know what exact documents are required for the process. The consular stamp can be printed exclusively on the original marriage certificate. Original marriage certificate required should be in an apparent better position. All signs and stamps have to be readable and clear. Moreover, it must not contain unusual marking. And as supporting, passport copy required of the applicant. Apostille procedure for marriage certificate. Step 1. Submission to EAS office. Marriage certificate submission to EAS is the beginning step of attestation procedure for the marriage certificate. The Excellent Apostille Services is a private professional and non-government agency collecting marriage certificate from all over India and submitting to the respective embassy for attestation. Step 2. Home Department. The Home Department is also known as General Administration Department. The marriage certificate attestation based on the signature of the designated signing authorities of the state government. The marriage certificate verification is to be done by the State Home Department. The officials are hired only for personal documents attestation. Step 3. MEA. The Ministry of External Affairs is central government which verify the marriage certificate before embassy attestation. Step 4. Embassy. The consular of the respective embassy can finally attest the marriage certificate. An embassy is a diplomatic mission usually located in another country's capital city or economic capital city, which gives consular services. It is a group of government officials, and their head is ambassador who represents their government in a foreign country.
Since this process involves your original marriage certificate, there is always a concern of document security and handling. So, it is beneficial to get certificates attested from experts. Excellent Apostille Services guarantees the highest reliability and quality, and provide end-to-end services of attestation or translation. Let us explain to you why we are the best for the attestation process. Our pan-India reach will provide you with personalized and quick services, free pickup and delivery service across the India. We have 24/7 customer support, guaranteed safety and security of your valuable documents. All-in-one hassle-free document verification and attestation service is just a phone call away. Once we know the destination you want to travel, we can take care of everything needed after that. And you can spend your valuable time planning your travel and make the best out of it. For many years, our service in this industry and transparency in work makes us the first choice of our customer. Contact today to get the door-to-door services for your complete legalization needs.